Hey everybody, what's good? What is happening? I'm Big Mike and this is BZ Cooks. So today guys, I'm excited because it's summertime. We're going outside today. I'm gonna skin a pig live. We're gonna make some pork belly sliders today.
Got him!
Nah, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna be skinning a pig, but we are gonna be making pork belly sliders today. So today we're gonna be cooking on the Lone Star Grill's vertical stick burner. I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So without further ado guys, let's get right to the cook. I'm going to show you how to make pork belly sliders. Stay tuned. So first of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers out there. Guys, we did it. We finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Oh, and all to you guys out there. Looking forward to many more. Now let's get right into it. All right, y'all. So we got some pork belly here. And I got this from Costco. So when you get it from Costco, sometimes you can get the whole slab, but this is already cut up into pieces, okay? This is where bacon comes from. This is normally when we get bacon. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're basically gonna cut this up into cubes. So we're gonna make like burnt ends from the pork belly, but I'm gonna cut a few slices larger because we're gonna make sliders with this, all right? So the first thing you wanna do is just gonna take these and I'm gonna cut these into like 1-inch cubes, like so. All right. Now when you buy this from Costco, they normally trim the skin off, right? So the skin is very like chewy, very tough. They cut that layer off and it gets down to that. See how that looks right there? That's basically bacon, okay? So I'm gonna cut these into these little cubes. And I'm gonna save some of the meatier pieces for the sliders. Okay guys, so let me introduce you to my good buddy here. This is Arthur Fonzarelli, AKA The Fonz.
Hey!
So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna show you, this is pretty much just like the one that my good friend Smoking and Grilling with AB has. Let's see, vertical smoker, offset, except he has a griddle and I have what's called a warmer box on top of mine. Okay, so as you can see in here, I've got a little bit of charcoal, a couple of logs, and that right there is a propane assist. So I'm gonna get that lit. We're gonna get these charcoals going to get our fire started. And then I'm gonna put a couple of more chunks of wood on the top of here, a couple of logs. All right, stay tuned. All right, so I've got my gas going. Let's see here. All right. Now we got a fire going. I'm gonna turn it up some. That's gonna get these charcoals going. And I'm gonna put these 2 logs on right here. All right. Pretty much get our temp up to about 250, 275. Now we're gonna go inside and start working on our pork belly sliders. Okay, now that we got our pieces all chopped up here, check your favorite barbecue seasoning, whatever you barbecue your ribs with. This is my personal like blend of barbecue rub when I cook ribs. And you're just gonna season these all over. You wanna make sure you get seasoning over every bite. Bro, you tripping. Hey. Man, I gotta tell that stupid dog. Every time I'm taking, you gotta be making noise. This time he wanna play with his toy. He don't ever play with the toy when he's supposed to. Okay, now that we got these seasoned up, I'm gonna put them on a rack. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this rack with some cooking spray so that they don't stick. I just wanna set these on here. Give them some room in between each other. All right, so we got all our pork belly sliders and burn ends on the rack. We're gonna take them outside now and get them on the smoker. First, gotta check my temp. Make sure that it's up to temp. 250 to 275 for about maybe 2.5 hours. We'll keep an eye on them. We want them to be fork tender, okay? And then All right, guys, we're looking at about a little over 275, about 280. I'm gonna open up this cooking chamber, and by the time we put all this food inside and close the hatchback, it'll have to get back up to temp, so it'll hover at around 275. Okay, guys, so the pork belly sliders are off of the smoker for right now. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them in this pan, okay? I'll put them in this pan, and I have my BZ Cooks barbecue sauce. Hey, let me give a shout out to my YouTube cousin, Chef and More. Now, Chef and More watched my last video, and she couldn't keep her eyes off the cereal on top of the refrigerator. And my other YouTube cousin, you know, my boy Smoking and Grilling with AB, just shot a sausage video with him. I'll put a card in the description for both of their channels. Go check them out. Got some great content over there. Now, some people will do this and they will literally have a pool of sauce at the bottom of the pan. You can do that if you would like to, but today, that's not really what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna pour the sauce on here, and I'm just gonna kind of toss them in it just to get them coated. All right, kind of like so. Just wanna make sure I get it on there. And when they come out, I kind of want them kind of to look like this, okay? Okay, guys, for the sake of time, I put some sliders together. As you can see, we've got some Hawaiian rolls with some coleslaw, our pork belly bites, and some dill pickle. Absolutely delicious with some sweet and some savory. You gotta try these for yourself, guys. All right, guys, burnt ends are done. I made some sliders. I hope you saw those in the picture. But now we gotta taste these. Now, these came out pretty good. I've already eaten like 3 or 4 of them, so I guess this one is gonna be for science for you guys. So let me get a good one here. I got some signature sauce right here. Dip it in. Fat rendered down really good. Guys, these are really easy to make. Don't be afraid to cook these at home. A lot of people see pork belly and they just don't know what to do. It's really just bacon. Big, thick pieces of bacon. God, this is delicious. So I want you guys to try this recipe at home. Leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you would pair these with. Maybe you do your burnt ends a different way, or your pork belly a different way. We appreciate you guys. Hey, if you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. Quit playing with your life and hit that subscribe button, all right? Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below. We appreciate you guys coming by. Stay tuned for more videos to come. This is Big Mike signing out with BZ Cooks. Peace.